Hey everyone, and welcome to Conics. Ever wonder who really makes the stuff we use every day? From our smartphones to our cars, manufacturing is the engine that drives the global economy. For decades, we heard stories about jobs moving overseas and factories closing down. But is that still the whole picture? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of manufacturing to see how the United States stacks up against the rest of the world. The global balance of power is shifting faster than ever, and the results might surprise you. For a long time, the conversation was dominated by one country, China. Its sheer scale and production capacity made it the world's factory. But while China's industrial dominance is undeniable, a new story is unfolding. We're going to look past the headlines and break down what's really happening. We'll compare China's massive industrial machine with America's high-tech advanced manufacturing hubs, who truly leads the world in production volume. What about innovation and quality? And perhaps most importantly, which country's manufacturing sector is more resilient to global shocks? We'll explore how cutting-edge technologies are completely rewriting the rules of the game. Think about automation. We're not just talking about simple assembly line robots anymore. We're talking about smart factories where robots powered by artificial intelligence can make decisions, predict maintenance needs, and optimize production on the fly. This level of automation is changing the cost-benefit analysis of where companies build their factories. It's no longer just about finding the cheapest labor. It's about finding the smartest, most efficient production methods. This brings us to a huge trend called reshoring. That's when companies that previously moved their production overseas decide to bring it back home. Why is this happening now? A few reasons. First, global supply chains have shown their weaknesses, especially over the last few years. Companies want more control and predictability. Second, automation makes it more affordable to manufacture in countries with higher labor costs. Like the US, we'll show you real-world examples of companies building state-of-the-art factories right here in America, creating new kinds of high-skilled jobs. So, what does this all mean for the future? Is America on the verge of a manufacturing renaissance? Can it reclaim its position as a global leader? And where do other emerging players, like India or Mexico, fit into this new world order? The race is on, not just to produce the most, but to produce the smartest. From advanced microchips to biotech innovations, the future of manufacturing is about technology and talent. Join us as we uncover the data, analyze the trends, and explore where the next industrial giant might rise. You won't want to miss this. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Conics, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.